Hi. So it's a bee today, and I was really struggling with the bee, and then suddenly I got 3 bees, and I'll show you how. So the first one, the special one for today, is Basil. This is the new one because I've never really used this, but when I researched it, it seems awesome, so you can try it. And I figured out there were more than 2 or 3 things which I could do with basil. So here I go. First of all, I say thank you to the Indian basil. It's also known as tulsi. It's a religious plant and it's doing a lot for us these days. So I'm going to take off a little bit from here, and you know what? Chewing it first thing and I have empty stomach in the morning is great for immunity. Lots of people are doing it today. Then I'm going to put this in boiling water. Now ideally you would do it on top of your stove, but because I'm shooting this here, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with this. I'm going to inhale this, which is great these days, guys. You can really do tulsi inhalations and keep those lungs clear. So that feels good. You can do a lot more with this, but I'm just going to do a little bit, and then I'm going to take this tulsi out from here, which is nice and boiled and hot, and I'm going to grind it in my grinder. A little bit of it can go a long way. Grind, grind, grind. Then I'm going to take a little bit out. And I'm just going to put a little bit more in the water so that I get some more for my hair. So it's a little bit of tulsi, a wee bit of honey, always honey, and basin, B for basin, in English gram flour, and banana, of course, B for banana. This is what I use pretty regularly, so I wasn't very excited about just doing B for banana, but then when I found basil and the thing with honey and basin and banana, 3 Bs, it's apparently a great cleanser for the face. So here I go. Oh gosh, every time I do one of these things, I feel so good, because I feel that I'm doing something really natural and really good for myself. And what better time than to do it now, when I have all the time in the world to do this and share it with you. So that's the things done. I hope it's all done. I don't have a mirror. And then I'm going to take this more of this out here, and I'm going to grind it. And I'm going to take some coconut oil and take this basil out. It's apparently a great hair fall resin and anti-dandruff, and generally very good for the hair. I didn't know that. So I'm going to just put this hair fall, just bend. Oops! There I go. Enjoy. B for basil, B for banana, and B for basil. May the basil protect all of us. One more to chew. Thank you. See you. Bye. That's about it.